The keel frame is welded from multiple layers of steel plates. The main root plate is made of 2 steel plates and is as solid as a rock. The main root plate and the balance plate form the extrusion lifting platform. The motor drives the eccentric wheel to rise and fall. To ensure the repeatability of die head and mold position, no shaking when doing lifting movements. The keel frame structure is strong with good stability of the lifting head, avoiding unstable product wall thickness caused by material pipe swing. Traditional racks are welded from channel steel. The hydraulic rod controls the lifting action with oscillation. Motor lift vibration vs hydraulic rod lift vibration.